How to add lead gen from Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Contact Options. Tap on Add an Action button. As you do that, you'll be able to see lead gen here. But as I'm in a region where it is not supported, I am not able to tap on it. So if you're in a location where it is supported, you want to go ahead and tap on it and tap on Save, and it will be added to your Instagram profile. Then people will be able to tap on it and they'll be able to fill the lead gen. So that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.